Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 9. Large-scale cultivation of spirulina is highly advantageous for human population. Explain giving 2 reasons. Spirulina is a good source for food, proteins, fats, carbs, minerals and vitamins for undernourished humans and animals. Reduce करता है environmental pollution and act करता है as a therapeutic agent in pharmaceutical. It can be grown easily on wastewater, straw, molasses, animal manure and sewage. This is question number 9.